High voltage arc, the phenomenon of electric current jumping in the air, usually occurring in the power system due to faults. In case of equipment failure, you can imagine it as a violent lightning. But it's not as easy to deal with lightning. Once it appears, the consequences could be disastrous. Let's imagine you are repairing a device. Suddenly, a flash breaks through the sky. A deafening voice made. You haven't had time to react. It was trapped in a burning flame. That's right. The fire spreads caused by high voltage arcs is extremely fast. It can instantly ignite everything around it. Even if you stand aside from far away, it may also be burned by the thermal radiation it produces. What is even more, high voltage arc will also release poisonous gas. This is not laughing matter. In the process of arc, oxygen and nitrogen in the air will be combined into some toxin. For example, carbon monoxide, and these things are very unfavorable to human health. Once you suck this poisonous gas, the consequences may be very serious, even fatal. At the same time, the damage to the device of high voltage arc is also quite terrible. When the arc occurs, it releases a lot of energy. It will cause severe damage to the equipment, even scrapped. For the power system, this is a big problem. Not only will it cause huge economic losses, it may also affect the stable operation of the power supply system. It even caused a chain failure, affecting users in a larger range. So, how should we avoid the harm of high voltage arcs? The answer is simple: escape. Can't afford it, but we can hide. No close to any high voltage electricity. Do not approach. If you have to approach, first of all, we need to use qualified equipment and tools. Make sure to meet the safety and check and maintain the equipment. Secondly, we must strictly abide by the safety operations. Wear the protective equipment. Avoid contact with high. Finally, check and maintain equipment and venues regularly. Timely discover and eliminate hidden safety hazards. High voltage arcs are by no means pediatrics. We must always be vigilant. Don't think it's just a power worker only need to care about these. High voltage arc is a ruthless killer. On a hair trigger. Don't wait until the accident happens to regret it later. Safety first. Distributed temperatures can be applied to transformer temperature monitoring, cable temperature monitoring to ensure cable safety.